Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to change phone ringtone on Android phone. At first, open the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select sound and vibration, and here click on phone ringtone. Choose the album from which you want to select your ringtone, pick the particular tune, okay, let me pick maybe a different one. Let's give it a couple of seconds to upload. Okay, I'm not sure why it's taking so long. However, once it's marked, you will see the dot here inside the particular tune. Just click on save and it will be applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.